Hi, I'm Will Cry, the Star Guy. Today we're going to talk about Dyson spheres, a hypothetical structure that can be used to harness the energy of an entire star. A Dyson sphere is a theoretical megastructure. It can provide almost infinite energy by harnessing the power of the sun. It can power entire civilizations. How does it work though? Imagine this is the sun. This is the Dyson sphere. It encloses the sun like this. There's many types of Dyson spheres designs. There's the rings. There is the sphere fully enclosed the sun, and then there is the Dyson swarm, which is like them but a bunch of smaller pieces instead of one big megastructure. The idea was proposed by Freeman Dyson. In the 1960s, he designed it as a way to meet the energy needs of a highly advanced civilization.
Yes, how can I help you?
Hello, do you know what a Dyson sphere is?
A Dyson what?
A Dyson sphere.
No. What is that?
Most people don't know what a Dyson sphere is because it doesn't actually exist. It's more of a theory, so not people will know about it. Well, let's take a step back and talk about the star at the center of a Dyson sphere, the sun. To do this, I brought a special guest, Katie.
Hi, thank you for having me. The sun is an incredible source of energy that powers life on Earth and drives our climate and weather.
How does it make energy?
The sun generates energy through a process called nuclear fusion, where hydrogen atoms are fused together to create helium, and they release energy in the process.
Where does this process occur?
It actually occurs in the sun's core, where the temperature and pressure are so high that the hydrogen atoms can overcome their natural repulsion to fuse together. The energy released during nuclear fusion is in the form of light and heat, which travels from the sun's core to its surface and then into space.
This energy is what makes life possible on Earth. It's also what could potentially power a Dyson sphere. Thank you for coming out.
Thank you for having me.
Like Katie said, the sun is the source of all life on Earth. It provides energy for photosynthesis in plants, which in turn fuels the food chain. However, the sun also produces a lot of radiation, which can be harmful to living things. Fortunately, the Earth's atmosphere provides protection from most of this radiation. Without the sun, life as we know it would not exist. But we must not also be mindful of its potential dangers. More radiation than microwave. The idea of a Dyson sphere may seem far-fetched, but it's not as unlikely as you might think. In fact, scientists have been looking into the stars to see if any other alien civilization have made a Dyson sphere. To build a Dyson sphere would take lifetimes and an astronomical amount of resources. Sorry, couldn't resist the pun. But in all seriousness, a Dyson sphere would revolutionize our society. New technological advances that we couldn't do otherwise due to lack of energy. To build a Dyson sphere, it would have to be massive and able to withstand the immense heat and radiation from the star. Additionally, we would need to transport and process the enormous amounts of materials to construct the sphere, which would likely require significant technological advances. Despite these challenges, the concept of the Dyson sphere has captured the imagination of scientists and science fiction writers alike. So as the global population increases, so will our need for more energy. So we must keep finding better ways for clean and renewable energy. While a Dyson sphere may not be possible in the near future, its idea can help inspire creative ways to harness the power of the sun to provide a clean and sustainable future. We are on the clock to find a replacement to fossil fuels. While a Dyson sphere may not be close enough to use, it might inspire us to find different ways to harness the sun for energy. So while a Dyson sphere gives nearly infinite energy, you know how that. So right now, every ounce of energy is finite. So if you excuse me, time to save some energy. Dyson spheres may still be only science fiction. It doesn't mean they'll always will be. But I guess I gotta go. Till next time.